Hey everybody, it's Kim. So I'm going to attempt another pour using the blow dryer. I have this vision of a galaxy in my mind and I don't know, let's see if I can make it happen. So I'm going to use like a copper and a brown, and then these are both metallics. So I just have this shiny vision. And then of course the black, I'm going to use that as a background. All right, so let's get started. Just to shorten the video to like 13 minutes instead of, I think it took me an hour. I hope you don't mind, I'm speeding everything up. But this is kind of basic, so I'm just getting the black down. So that way it's on the edges and it'll help flow the paint much better. And I want it thick, a little thick, because again, like the thicker that this is, it's gonna help flow the paint. And I also want to contain, because I'm trying to do a galaxy, right? So I want this to have like some pretty metallic, like it looks like the sky. And this is where I always fail because I am not good with the blow dryer. But let's see if I can make this happen. And then also, like, I didn't use any silicone. So let's see if we get any cells. And because I want that galaxy stripe look, that's why I'm like thickening up. And here we go with the blow dryer. See, like right in there, maybe I've captured a little galaxy feeling, but that red I think was totally out of place. And I just don't like see the squiggly lines. So I'm trying to soften it here with the straw, because I don't like those hard line edges. I don't know. It's just squiggly. I feel like Stewie. Oh, squiggly line. Oh, squiggly line. And now I'm making more squiggly lines. It's kind of good to roast your own painting, because it's all trial and error. So I hope you're still with me, but I'm just not loving any part of this, and I think I'm just zoning out and trying my best because, you know, I want to create some content. Now, okay, so the red fire side, I'm not excited about. The other side that I just obliterated, at least the coloring, maybe a little. Yeah, I'm just not loving any part of this. I think at this point it's just for my own entertainment to see what can I do. So let me just kind of speed all this up. I'm sorry. Like, yeah, let's speed this up, because I think at some point I do a spinny, like the Aussie guy. No, but he said, does he say spinny? I think he does. Do a spinny, because I think maybe spinning might save this. And let it, if I breathe it out, let it expand. But it's really not that thick, right? Where it's gonna really do much. Spin it, spin it, spin it. I just don't like it. I mean, I guess in some ways it can be interesting now that I see it later. Like, that could be kind of interesting. I don't know. I see some things. I see some lava on the left. Ooh, maybe I do like this after all. Right? It has some interesting texture and color, and I'm just mainly looking like at the right side where it looks fiery now. That would be the left side. I mean, it could be a thing, maybe. But I can see there in the moment, I'm just not liking it at all. Can I get some cells out of it? Right, here we go. I'm trying to maybe add a little silicone with the, using the toothpick. And I mean, I guess I'm getting something over there. Nothing too thrilling. I paint over it. Whatever happened over there, I am not excited about the outcome. You know, sometimes it's just fun to pour these colors and see what happens, but I clearly am on a road to nowhere. So let me speed this up and get to where I do something else. Hold on. All right, so I'm done playing with this mess. And I'm just going to mix some other colors and I'm going to flip a cup because what do I love? Flipping the cup. Flipping the cup. And actually that's kind of pretty. Look at that pink and white. And using some of the because I'm watching this with you guys. Like I videotape. It's so hard to talk and do this at the same time. See, but look, there I'm getting the squiggly lines again. And that's what I'm really not excited about. Look at that. I don't like that. It convinced me to like that, but I do like that corner that was closest towards me, but I just lost it. All right, one more time. So I just went for the dopamine and I mixed just pretty greens, maybe left over from my other project. Also mixed with the reds and just flip the cup and let it spread. Like, should that be my new slogan? Flip the cup and let it spread. Give it a spinny and see where you inny, where you ninny. I need a word. And this is what I love. I love this. I love this so much. I don't like those lines. Okay, I've said it enough. Ah, this is pretty. All right, guys, I want to hear what you think. Okay, let's see the final product. That is gorgeous. Look at those pinks in there. And of course, this is so many different colors that I've used. I use those Arteza colors right now. And look at just gorgeous, the pink and I love this. And then this is just a little time lapse of it spreading a little bit. It doesn't do too much. And then let's look at the final product. It does dry darker. I know you can't see the metallics, but this is actually, that one looks prettier. You can see the different colors and stuff. I got to get better at my post video photography. I will, but this one was pretty. I was happy with this. So I appreciate you every day. You guys take care. It's dangerous out there. Be safe.